Have you ever think why Dubai is different than any other countries? Why everyone is crazy behind this country? Why everyone wants to live the life of the Dubai? What fascinates everyone to move to the Dubai? Let's break it down. So Dubai is different due to its strategic location, massive economic diversification away from the oil, and last but not the least, due to its multicultural environment that is a hub for international trade and tourism. So having said that, economically diversified, UAE के पास दुनिया का 7th largest oil reserve है. But wait, beyond oil, 70% of the UAE GDP comes from the non-oil sector, that is tourism, trade, real estate and finance. So now let's come to the second point. UAE is considered to be the tax haven. Having said tax haven, चलो समझते हैं आज tax haven कैसे. So यहाँ पे आपको किसी भी तरीके का टैक्स कहीं पे भी नहीं देना है. So चाहे वो इनकम टैक्स हो, चाहे वो कैपिटल गेन टैक्स हो, चाहे वो गुड्स टैक्स हो, चाहे वो रेंटल टैक्स हो, nothing. So apart from this, there is an endless list like job opportunity, vibrant lifestyle, good education, so high standard of living and acceptance of all religions. And can you believe Dubai Health Authority has launched a separate ministry for health and happiness, which aligns with the Dubai goal to become the one of the most active cities in the world. So now you have more reasons to visit Dubai. So इस बारे में आपका क्या ओपिनियन है? कमेंट में जरूर बताइए.